All right, y'all, I got a screen protector, and if you haven't seen the video that I did for the Thinborne airment fiber, well, it came from Caseborne, and they actually send a screen protector out. So this is my second screen protector. The UAG didn't work out that well. It was a film screen protector, but we're gonna be installing this one today. It's a tempered glass screen protector from Thinborne. So let's talk. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. They give you pretty much everything you're gonna need, except it's in the top of the pack, so the pack won't tear, right, without me tearing the other stuff. Like, it's a lot of air at the bottom, so I'm just gonna tear the bottom. How about that? And get everything out of here. Let's see what they gave me. That's it? Okay. So they give you this. Now this is the first time I have seen ingredients on a wipe. So they actually tell you what is actually in this wipe. So I like that a lot. You get some dust removers. I keep some of this stuff just hanging around. I don't need the dust removers pretty much, but microfiber. And then this piece, it comes from another company. I can't remember who gave it to me, but I like to use it to stabilize my phone while I'm getting ready to do all this motion stuff. All right, so just normal screen application. And actually, I'm gonna turn this way because I like the top of my device to be over here on my right hand. I can control it better. Just like so, wipe, 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 clean it off, get all the oils, and make sure you turn the device off. I can't stress that enough, and I've told that in videos before. But turn the device off so that it does not attract any dust, dirt, or any static electricity causing any issues. And just for the fun of it, we are going to use the dust wiper. I like that sound. All right, now this is where it matters. Okay, so we are going to peel halfway back and match up that camera hole. That's the biggest thing, matching up the camera hole. All right, once you get the camera hole matched up, I'm just gonna hold this down, pull this out, and hold down and pull a little bit harder. Get everything out and wipe from the middle up and wipe from the middle down. Now, one thing I can tell you that I'm not gonna like already is, and this is probably gonna come right back off, I'm gonna let y'all see it because some of y'all don't mind it, but I don't like it. All right, so here we go. This fingerprint circle in the middle. I don't like that. Or this fingerprint circle where your scanner is gonna be at. I don't like that look at all. So this screen protector, I can tell you right now, is gonna be a no-go for me, but I do wanna try it out just so y'all can see it. And I'm gonna slap Thinborne on here, just like so. So the fact that I got that on there is gonna irk me. I don't like it. And that's just my personal opinion. That's just me. It takes this phone a long, I know I've said this before in another video, but it takes this phone a long time to come on and start up. As you can see, we've been waiting for a minute now. And it has to optimize and all that stuff every single time. So this is a long time. That's a long time. It's at 100% and it's still not, okay, there we go. So initially we got to put the code in, right? All right, so it's starting up, it's doing its thing. And once it's completely started up, I'll just shut it back down and let's see. Let's get it to go to sleep. And I need for the fingerprint to pop up. This finger is already ready. Okay. So fingerprint scanner is not doing its thing. You always have to re-register your fingerprint after doing one of these. But I've re-registered it for a plastic screen protector already, this finger. Let's re-register another finger. All right, so we're gonna re-register another finger. All right, let's see if we can re-register it. It seems to be working. It's taking a little more accuracy. I'm gonna turn so we get the whole fingerprint. All right, fingerprint has been added. We are done. Let's go back out, turn that off, wait for it, and there we go. So proof is in the pudding. Once you re-register that fingerprint, it will work pretty good. And when you got a colored background, you can't really see that circle, but the fact that I know that circle is there, this thing is coming right off. So number one, big shout out to Caseborne for including this in the package. Like I appreciate it 100%, but it's just not my cup of tea. I don't like that circle. So if you can find something to get rid of that circle in there, I'm all for it. Maybe like you can get it out. I don't know. It's adhesive. It feels sticky. So maybe you can like wipe it out. I don't know. Either way, it's a good alternative for somebody who likes that circle or somebody who just wants a screen protector. But first and foremost, it's a really nice gesture for them because they didn't have to add that. So they're giving you a screen protector as well as a case. And this case is magnetic, by the way. It does work with your MagSafe devices, just like so, and it will charge. So big shout out to them. We did that install. I really didn't like it just because that's my personal preference, but I think it's a really good gesture. So go by and check them out. It comes with this case. I'm not sure if they even sell these separately, but it comes with the casing. If you buy the casing, you get the actual screen protector. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I'm still on the lookout for that perfect screen protector. So any companies out there who think you have one, reach out to me. I'll go buy it if I have to. It doesn't matter to me, but I just want a really good screen protector for my S23 Ultra. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.